my first ever Simply Gilded order. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch 2 videos a week about planning and productivity so that you can create a powerful plan. I can't wait to try this. I've had my eyes on this Simply Gilded Washi for years. It's time to try some new things. So here we go. Oh, yay! So look at this little cute package. It comes with a card and some stickers. Let's open this up. So there are 2 signature designs that Irene from Simply Gilded has. One is the bow. So many of her washi have her signature bow design on them. So here's a little bow sticker. This was a freebie that came with the order. And so was this little tiny sticker sheet. Her other thing is her little bunny. Her bunny has a name too. I can't remember. Juniper. Is it Juniper? Tell me if I'm wrong in the comments. Little bunny design. Look at those little tiny cute. So those are little gold foil stickers. And then is that a box sticker too? What is that? I don't want to mess it up. I'm not sure. But isn't that cute? And then it came with 2 cards, like note cards. So beautiful. All the flowers of all the tomorrows are the seeds of today. And this one with like the summer monstera leaf. Simply Gilded. Aren't those pretty? All right, let's check out what I got. So let me explain. I scrolled through every single washi on the website, and I'm going to have a link in the description box with a discount code if you want to try out Simply Gilded. And I scrolled through every single thing, and I looked for just my absolute favorites, and that's what I ordered. So some of them come in sets. This is a set of 4, and I think it's 5 millimeters set of 4 washi tape rolls. I'm going to open them. We're going to play with all of them in just a minute. And then these 2 came as a set, and this is 10 millimeter. Is it millimeters? 10 millimeters and 15 millimeters. And this is one of her other signature designs, the Stardust. So it has like foil on it. We're going to open those and play with them. This is like silver. This one has rose gold. And then here's, oh wait, did this come with this? This was all one set that came together. That was part of her 12 days special last year. So this is a set of 3. Wait, did all those come together? Hold on, wait. I might be wrong. It might be this. No, I think it is. It's the set that all came together. So these are the little 3 5 millimeters, a 10 and a 15. These have stars, it looks like. These have bows and stars and ivy. And then this one came by itself. It is a leopard print. So I'm going to open these up, grab my planner, and we're going to try them out. This set is called Love Stardust. This set is called Enchanted Forest. And this one is Blush Leopard. It's so pretty. I'll zoom in once I get it on the page. I'm just going to put this kind of randomly because I can add boxes on top of the washi to fill in any activities that I'm doing. So I'm just going to put the washi in a few different places decoratively just because I want to try all of it. I love it already. I'm so excited. Look how pretty that is. So the Simply Gilded washi comes with, most of it comes with some kind of foiling on it. Like this actually has, if you look really close, it actually has 3 different colors of foil on it. Isn't that beautiful? So that's the 15 millimeter size. Let's see what this size looks like in the planner. And this is the Pretty Preppy Happy Planner. This one's 10 millimeters. This one is 15. Here is the set of 5 millimeter Love Stardust. And if you look up close, you'll see the foil is different colors, and these are like an ombre color fade from different shades. But see how that one has like a pinkish rose gold, this has like a silver, and this one I think has the same. Here, let's switch those around. Yeah, those look the same, like a silver holographic. So all of these are Love Stardust. Now let's try the Enchanted Forest collection. This one is Blush Leopard, and it has gold foil, and it's kind of like a clear light pink. I'm going to put this over here because it doesn't really go with the other collection, but I want to see it on this page too. So let me just trim. I might use scissors to trim that part. Trim this part, peel it off. So pretty. Let me just show you this up close, and I'll trim it with scissors. It's so pretty. I got this one to go with my wild styled planner. I think it's gonna look really good. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, click the link in the description box to get your free power plan checklist, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.